Hi everyone, Miguel Anfield here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm drinking my banana and berry smoothie. So different berries and with bananas. Amazing. And today's topic is about budget. And I'm going to show you and tell you how you can save money being vegan. Very simple. I think done videos on this before, but today I'm really going to get into how you can save money on being vegan and eating healthy. Now, being healthy doesn't mean that you need to buy everything organic and spend all your money on it, but that is actually better because it's better for your health. Actually, veganic is even better because you know that no animal inputs are being used to grow your food. But unfortunately, in supermarkets today, I haven't even seen veganic once. Actually, I've seen only veganic once. And veganic was actually a bread, and I guess they grew all their own ingredients and they put it into it. I don't know how they did it, but anyways, it's all veganic because it has a label veganic on it. So that was only once that I've ever seen that. But produce, I've never seen anything that had the label veganic. Veganic basically means no animal inputs, no animal manure, no blood meal, no feather meal, no bone meal, none of that stuff. So you can do all these things and you can save on money and do what you can. Okay. First thing I really recommend is grow as much food as possible. So as much of your food grown as possible. So if you live somewhere colder climates where wintertime you can't really grow your own food, do what you can to grow your own food and as much food as possible. So for example, if you're eating like tubers, potatoes, sweet potato, cassavas, all these amazing foods, what you can do is you can grow a lot of them and put them in a cold storage for winter. So that's one thing that you can do. Another thing you can do is have a greenhouse and have a greenhouse that's attached, like a solarium that's attached to your house or attached to something, and make it so that it is cold enough that you can store things in there during part of the time. But also in wintertime, you could have that place heated. So do that. You can heat it. You can use. You can have it so that like build it in a way that the sun will heat it, kind of like Earth ships, and you can do it in such a way that it will be able to heat enough throughout the whole year. Okay, and then you can grow as much food as you possibly can in that area of space. So have your front lawn, have your back lawn, growing as much food as possible as you possibly can. Fill up. Just have some rows to walk through, but fill up on the food. Okay. That being said, what other ways can you be self-sustainable with your food and also save money? So you can forage in nature. So if you're in a place that you can forage and trying to find as much food as possible. Okay. Now, another way you can save money on food is dumpster diving or finding things in garbage because people throw food out, like good food. All you have to do is cut the bad parts off and that's it. It's very simple. Very, very simple. People think that it's unhygienic and not to go into garbages. It's really like bad. And a lot of times you can find really good packaged food, packaged greens. You can find all kinds of deals, and even talk to the supermarkets, talk to health stores. Go directly there, talk to them, and tell them, look, I don't like that people are throwing out good food. Please, I would love to take anything that you have for free. Tell them your situation. Tell them you lost a job, whatever the case may be, and get food that they're throwing out for free. Tell them I'm looking to salvage any kind of produce, any kind of food, any kind of vegan food that you're not selling. Let me have it instead of throwing it away. So I know a lot of stores, a lot of companies, what they do is they donate a lot of the food that they're not able to use or that they throw away. They donate it, but they can't donate everything, or maybe they just throw it out, whatever the case may be. A lot of times I've heard that they give it to farm animals, whatever they don't use. So ask the store manager. Please, I want to see the store manager. I want to see the store manager. And tell them, this is what you want. This is what you need. And tell them your situation. And most likely they will be happy to give it away. Or they will say something like, oh, we can't do it for health reasons or whatever. And then you send them a long letter. You email them a long, long letter to the owner or to the CEO or to the store manager, whatever the case may be. Usually they're called general managers, and they kind of run the store, or they're the owner of that one particular store. So that's a lot of ways you can save. Dumpster diving, going to garbages, growing your own food, foraging, getting food from other people is not at all like begging. Okay, you're not begging. People are willing to give away their food. For example, they might